sharing a song from Hamilton called Take a Break. If you don't know about Hamilton, like, I don't even know what to tell you. Like, where have you been? So it's Hamilton and his wife and his sister-in-law. Come on up, guys. So William is Alexander Hamilton. Maria is, what's her face? Angelica, the sister-in-law. And Keisha is Eliza. Right, this. She's hurt their kid.
Tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow, keep the same pretty pace from day to day. Trust you'll understand the reference to another Scottish tragedy without me having a name to play. They think me Macbeth. Ambition is my folly. I'm a polymath. The answer to massive thing. Addison is Bakewell. Jefferson is Smithville. Birmingham Wood is Congress on its way to Benson Bay.
There you are, ocean away. You have to be an ocean away. Practicing all day. Philip, take it away.
Daddy, look. My name is Philip, and I'm a poet. And I wrote this poem just to show it, and I just turned 9. You can write rhymes, but you can't write mine. I practice piano with my mother. I have a sister, but I want a little brother. My daddy's trying to start America's bank.
In a letter I received from you 2 weeks ago, I noticed a comma in the middle of the phrase. It changed the meaning. Did you intend this? One stroke and you consumed my waking days and said, my dearest Angelica. With a comma after dearest, you written my dearest Angelica. Anyway, okay, coming home this summer at your sister's invitation. I'll be there with your family. I know you're very busy, I know your work's important, but I'm crossing the ocean and I just can't wait. You won't be an ocean away, you will only be a moment away. Alexander, come downstairs, Angelica's arriving today.
The Schuyler sisters. Tell my wife John Adams doesn't have a real job.
Not joining us, wait.
I'm afraid I cannot join you upstairs.
Alexander, I came all this way. All this way, take a break.
Oh, I have to get my plane through Congress.
Run away with us for the summer, let's go upstate.
It's my job if I don't get this plane through Congress.
I'll go stay with my father. There's a lake, I know I miss your face. Screw your parents, you're singing lace. I can go.
Congress. I can't stop till I get this plan through Congress.